All right, welcome to Creator Hardware, and today we're going to talk about choosing the right XLR microphone for your voice. Now, a lot of people, when they get into streaming and podcasting and stuff like that, they go out and do what everybody does. They go buy a Go XLR and an SM7B. Now, that can be a good choice on the SM7B because it does tend to reject a lot of background noise, like keystrokes on a clicky keyboard, but it's not always the best choice for your voice. And unfortunately, a lot of people take the SM7B, which is a very good mic for a lot of voices. A lot of them tune it so it sounds like you're a disc jockey in a 70s studio. Welcome to channel XM12348 kind of thing. That's not the way to use this microphone. It is a really good microphone for a lot of uses, but I've actually didn't like this microphone for a lot of those reasons because too many people tune them that way. Now, I bought the SM7B expecting to hate it because so many people do that 70s voice, and I expected my voice to kind of come off that way. But you don't have to do it that way. You can make it sound pretty decent with just not doing the presence boost, that kind of thing. Let's talk about choosing a microphone that fits your voice. This is the most important thing that most people don't understand is depending on your voice, it should influence what kind of microphone you use. Microphone A might make your voice sound more annoying in recordings than it actually is in real life versus B, who will actually scale back some of the annoying frequencies in your voice. The best thing you can do is find a reviewer on YouTube that has a similar voice to yours. Now, this is something that's kind of difficult when you're beginning filming because you really don't like your own voice when you start filming. Trust me, I 6 years, I think now doing YouTube, and I don't even notice my voice anymore. Find a reviewer that is reviewing microphones that has a similar voice to your own. It will give you an idea of what that microphone sounds with your voice. Me as a male with a generally darker voice is not going to be ideal for somebody with a different kind of voice. It just isn't. You need to find a reviewer that has a very similar voice. Any microphone will accentuate certain things and then vary other things that you may want. Figure out a microphone that'll work for your voice. And getting a microphone that doesn't sound good, like an SM7B for $400, kind of sucks because a lot of people have said this that, the SM7B has a love-hate relationship with I think everybody. People that have voices that suit the SM7B love it. And people that don't fit the SM7B hate it. I'm kind of in the middle. I think it's a good microphone for a lot of people, and a lot of people really need to understand how to tune it right so it doesn't sound like you're a 70s, DJ. Go through reviews. Look at microphones that are in your price range, and then try to find a reviewer that has your voice. If nothing else, if you don't find somebody very similar to your voice, go through a bunch of reviews on a microphone that you really are interested in and listen to it across several reviewers. And hopefully most reviewers will have an unprocessed sample because processing changes a lot of the features of a microphone, which may accentuate even more problems or may dial back some problems. So try to find uncompressed. But that's the key, is you got to find somebody with a similar voice. You have to get some sort of interface for an XLR microphone. You have to get an XLR cable, XLR microphone, and that adds up very quickly. I mean, you figure for my Lavalier IO24, that was a couple $100. This was $400, cable, etc. I'm into this for what, $600-700. And if your voice doesn't match the microphone you get, it's a very expensive mistake. So listen to reviewers. Not about what they say about the mic, but how they sound But instead of listening to just, the blah, 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 go to the sound bits of each microphone you're interested in. Listen to it with headphones, not over your car speakers, not on your phone. Listen to it with headphones because that is key to choosing the microphone that'll work for your voice. So as always, hit record, hit upload. Thanks for watching. This is Creator Hardware.